Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Have you ever wondered how systems are secured? How do organizations protect their sensitive data from prying eyes and malicious attacks? Are you curious about the minds that find and fix vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them? These individuals are the unsung heroes of the digital age, working tirelessly behind the scenes. In the world of hacking, there's a clear distinction between those who operate ethically and those who don't. This distinction is often represented by the terms white hats and black hats, which symbolize the ethical and unethical sides of hacking, respectively. Ethical hackers, often referred to as white hats, use their knowledge for good. They are the guardians of the digital realm, constantly on the lookout for vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. They identify vulnerabilities to improve security, working within legal and ethical boundaries. Their tasks include penetration testing, security assessments, and developing strategies to fortify systems against potential attacks. Their work is crucial in protecting individuals, organizations, and governments from cyber threats. By proactively identifying and addressing security weaknesses, they help to prevent data breaches, financial losses, and other cyber-related damages. On the other hand, black hats are the malicious actors who exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain or to cause harm. They operate in the shadows, using their skills to infiltrate systems, steal sensitive information, and disrupt services. They operate outside the law, engaging in activities like data breaches, identity theft, and system disruptions. Their actions can have devastating consequences, leading to significant financial and reputational damage for their victims. The difference between white hats and black hats is fundamental. One protects, the other attacks. While white hats work to build and maintain secure systems, black hats seek to tear them down for their own benefit. Choosing the path of ethical hacking means using your skills responsibly and ethically, contributing to a safer digital world. It's a commitment to defending the integrity of digital spaces and ensuring that technology serves as a force for good. To become a successful ethical hacker, a strong foundation in core technical areas is paramount. Understanding how networks function is crucial. You'll need to grasp concepts like TCP/IP, DNS, firewalls, and VPNs, which form the backbone of internet communication. Equally important is a solid understanding of operating systems, both Windows and Linux. You'll be working with different systems, analyzing their security postures, and identifying potential weaknesses. Finally, programming knowledge is indispensable. Python, with its versatility and ease of use, is an excellent starting point for aspiring ethical hackers. Mastering these foundational skills will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the complexities of cybersecurity. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time to delve into the specialized skills that distinguish ethical hackers. Penetration testing is a key area where you'll learn to simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities. This involves using various tools and techniques to probe systems and networks for weaknesses. Vulnerability assessment is another crucial skill, focusing on identifying and prioritizing security flaws. You'll learn to analyze systems, applications, and networks to pinpoint weaknesses and recommend remediation steps. Cryptography, the art of secure communication, is also essential, as is a deep understanding of security auditing and incident response. Developing these specialized skills will transform you into a formidable ethical hacker. Section 5. Your arsenal: essential hacking tools. Every ethical hacker needs a reliable set of tools to navigate the digital landscape and uncover vulnerabilities. Nmap, a powerful network scanner, allows you to map out networks, identify active devices, and discover open ports. Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer, enables you to capture and analyze network traffic, providing insights into communication patterns and potential security issues. Metasploit, a penetration testing framework, provides a vast library of exploits and payloads that can be used to simulate attacks and assess system security. Burp Suite, a web application security testing tool, helps you identify vulnerabilities in web applications. These tools, among others, will become your trusted companions as you embark on your ethical hacking journey. Section 6. From novice to expert: learning resources and practice platforms. The path to becoming an ethical hacker is paved with continuous learning and hands-on practice. Fortunately, A wealth of resources is available to guide you on your journey. Online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Cybrary offer a plethora of courses, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. To hone your skills in a safe and legal environment, practice platforms like Hack the Box, TryHackMe, and VulnHub provide realistic scenarios where you can test your abilities. Participating in Capture the Flag competitions, either online or in person, offers an exciting and challenging way to apply your knowledge and compete with others. These resources provide invaluable opportunities to refine your skills and gain practical experience. Section 7. Validating your skills. The power of certifications. While practical experience is paramount, certifications provide industry-recognized validation of your skills and knowledge. The Certified Ethical Hacker certification is a widely respected credential that demonstrates your competence in ethical hacking methodologies. The Offensive Security Certified Professional certification is highly regarded for its hands-on exam, testing your ability to conduct penetration tests in a real-world environment. Other valuable certifications include CompTIA Security Plus, CISP, and GEAC certifications, each catering to different areas of cybersecurity. Earning these certifications can enhance your credibility, boost your career prospects, and open doors to new opportunities. Section 8. The Ethical Hacker's Code, Legality and Responsible Conduct. As an ethical hacker, it's imperative to operate within the bounds of law and ethics. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and can have severe consequences. Always obtain explicit permission before testing systems or networks. Remember, your role is to improve security, not to cause harm or disruption. Responsible disclosure of vulnerabilities is crucial. Inform the affected party privately, allowing them time to remediate the issue before making it public. Adhering to ethical principles is not just a legal requirement, but also a moral obligation for every ethical hacker. Section 9. Embark on your hacking journey. A world of opportunities awaits. The world of ethical hacking is as vast as it is exciting. It offers a unique blend of challenges and rewards, pushing you to constantly evolve and adapt. With dedication, perseverance, and a thirst for knowledge, you can master the skills needed to thrive in this dynamic field. The journey is demanding, but the rewards are immense. From penetration testing to vulnerability assessment, each task hones your abilities and sharpens your expertise. From incident response to security auditing, every role you undertake contributes to a safer digital environment. A wealth of opportunities awaits those with the right skill set. Embrace continuous learning, as the field of cybersecurity is ever evolving. Stay updated on the latest threats and trends, and immerse yourself in the community through conferences and forums. Never stop challenging yourself. Participate in hackathons, solve complex puzzles, and set up new challenges to test your limits. The journey to becoming an ethical hacker is an ongoing process of growth and discovery. Each milestone you achieve is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Join the ranks of those who are making the digital world a safer place, one vulnerability at a time. Collaborate with peers, share your knowledge, and contribute to the community. The future of cybersecurity is in your hands. With every step you take, you are shaping a more secure digital landscape for everyone.